Hey, let's chat specifically about this. This here is my all for paper embroidery, and over the week I've had some people reach out regarding the usage, so let's get into it. Let's go over how it's assembled. The holder is made up of 3 parts. It's crucial that the center part is placed in the right direction, and by that I mean that this lip part here, that's the best name I could come up with, sorry, it needs to be facing down. If it faces up, it will not tighten. Now to insert a needle, unscrew everything and insert as shown, making sure that the collet grips the rubber. Twist the center part pretty tight. To punch paper, use a piece of styrofoam as padding. Avoid multiple layer cardboard, wood, or anything solid. This saw is to pierce a single sheet of paper. When used as demonstrated, it will work perfectly. I've used mine for multiple projects throughout the last few months and it's been great. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you.